resource that we used throughout the semester was the Appia online ebook. We used it to complete online book assignments that required us to gain knowledge about different aspects of business writing. Keeping track of these assignments and making sure they're in by 11:59 p.m. on the due date is essential to your success. The Second Life program was also used in the course to create an avatar and complete a library orientation on how to use a library more effectively.
Staying connected is key to being successful in English 205. Join the English 205 Facebook page to stay on top of assignments and know what you will be doing in and out of class. During the final project, having a schedule of due dates will ensure you complete the assignments efficiently and to the best of your ability.
In order for your team to be successful for the team business report, you must meet at a mutual site. Golden Mile Library is a great place to meet with your team. At the library, you have access to computers and research, which are two essential things you need for this report. Be sure to find a table large enough for your entire group to work together. If you follow these tips we have given you, your semester as an English 205 business writer will be as smooth and successful. Farewell and good luck.